Still, at least we made it. Talk about lucky.
That wasn't luck, that was me, yeah.
For years! The moral is, if you're gonna get stuck at the end of the universe, get stuck with his excavator.
This master bloke, he's got the TARDIS. He could be anywhere in the TARDIS.
No, he's here.
Changed his face, voice, body, everything. New man.
I'll know him.
If he could be anyone...
Mr. has returned from the palace.
That was the voice of Harold
That's him. The master is a master. The master is his wife.
This country has a doctor. This country needs healing. This country needs country. In fact, I'd go so far as to say, real, right.
Military protocol, sir. EC directive, sir.
Finance report, sir.
Annual budget, sir.
Directive, sir.
Policy recommendations. Annual budget, sir. Annual budget, sir.
Tish. Shit. You just stand there and look gorgeous.
Excuse me, Prime Minister. Do you mind my asking, what is that?
Forget, ma'am.
I beg your pardon.
Forget, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
Forget, ma'am.
He could only travel between the year 100 trillion and the last place the TARDIS landed, which is...
1973. My name is Sam Tyler. I had an accident.
What was his policy? What did he stand for?
Good. Good.
Our Lord and Master is speaking to his kingdom.
I'm president. President of the United States. Britain. Just a few years ago, this world was so small. And then they came.
I've been really trying, baby.
The Christmas star that came time and time again. And the government told you nothing. Well, not me. Not
Sam Tyler.
because my purpose is to tell you this.
What?
Man, woman, and child, every teeth, and connect, and love, and I don't know, every minute.
All right? Fine, yeah, fine.
Go to Boxer. Stay with him. Don't tell anyone. Just hide.
I'll find you, Martha George. Been a long time since we saw each other. Must be, what?
1973.
I'm here. Master.
I like it when you use my name.
You chose it. Psychiatrist field day.
Because you chose me. I ran. Made myself
Sam Tyler.
so they would never find me. Listen, 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 listen. Here come. Oh, and you can tell handsome Jack that I've sent his little gang off on a wild to the Himalayas. I've got this tune.
It was beautiful. We used to call it the shit world of the Seven System. And on the continent of Wow Endeavour, Wow, in the mountains of Sus, there stood the citadel of the Citadel. Children of Gallifrey, taken from that family's age of 8, to enter the untempered schism. Oh, I don't know.
Thanks for telling stories. There's something I haven't told you. I swear to you, it's different. I changed it. And when I did that, I did it for you in your honor.
If I haven't returned to my desk by 2200, this file will be emailed to my desk, which means if you're watching this, then I'm... my desk.
No, it can't be.
Doctor, what is it?
He's cannibalized the TARDIS.
Then we've got to get to the master.
Yeah, how are we gonna stop him?
Oh, I've got a way.
We'll be going live to first It's been announced that Harold Sachs has invited President Wynne to take the address.
My fellow Americans, what is important is that we gain material benefits. For as long as man has looked to the stars, he has wondered what material benefits they hold.
If I can get this around the master stick, cancel out perception, they'll see him for real. Hard. If they stop me, you've got to kick him.
Yes, sir.
I'll get him.
And I ask you now, I ask of the human race to join with me in welcoming
Sam Tyler.
Oh, all right then. It's me.
I had an accident.
I have this effect. Is it the smile? Is it the after smile? I don't know. Kill him. We meet at last. I love saying that. And look, it's called Sam and the Freak. Another
19
years.
Get down, you little mama.
Tell them the port.